Change is coming to a remote valley deep in the mountain kingdom. Until now, the crossing of the Footbridge River Valley involved local residents, their horses and their livestock having to daily descend dangerous paths to the bottom of the valley to cross the river and climb up the other side. The Metalong Dam, currently being constructed to provide potable water to Maseru, the capital of Lesotho, and other towns and settlements in the Lesotho lowlands, will shortly be completed and will permanently flood this river valley. As a member of the Lowlands Waterworks joint venture, Jeffers and Green came up with a unique solution, an innovative concrete ribbon footbridge spanning the 240 meters wide gorge and passing some 50 meters above the original river valley bottom. The implementation process commenced with the construction of abutment anchor blocks on each side of the gorge, which are firmly founded into bedrock using ground anchors. A high bridge pier was also constructed to enable the bridge to effectively span the 240 meters. The initial set of steel cables were then strung across the gorge from abutment to abutment and through the head of the intermediate column. During this same period, bridge deck units were being separately cast on site. Their shape allows them to be launched across the gorge by sliding them along these cables. Once these deck units were in place, they were secured to the cables using a bolted plate system. Concrete was then cast to make the deck continuous. Once this had been completed, a second set of cables were jacked into tension through sleeves in the abutments, thus compressing each precast deck unit against its neighbor. Through this highly controlled process, the correct concrete compressive stresses and prescribed catenary geometry was achieved. The second set of tension cables were then permanently secured to the abutment blocks. Following the installation of hand railing with height and design taking into consideration horse traffic, the bridge was commissioned. With this construction, Jeffers and Green has provided a cost-effective solution suitable for the realities and needs of the developing world, where high-tech, low-maintenance solutions need to dovetail with environmental and community needs and aspirations. The rigid and stable platform is user-friendly and maintenance-free. All necessary concrete was mixed on site, and most of the work done using local labor with no need for heavy cranes. The visual and environmentally sensitive design and profile has been thoroughly tested on Jeffers and Green's award-winning bridge over the Umkomaas River. Full community liaison as part of the larger Metalong Dam project will assure local and international acceptability. This is only the second bridge of its kind to be constructed in Africa, and at 249 meters is the first with two spans, making the construction more complex without compromising the minimalist visual design and low environmental impact. This bridge is yet another expression of Jeffers and Green's commitment to serving the challenges and needs of Africa and our communities using the best engineering and environmental practices inspired by nature.